Very good morning. This is Krishna Reddy, DL in Computer Science at WRDC Menu Sangareddy. Today I am discussing about topic operators in C programming. Operators in C programming. Discussing about types of operators, and what is the use of operators in C programming. That is the main topic. What is the advantages of operators in C language? So first of all, what is meant by operator? Introduction to operators. Operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical and logical functions. Operator is a symbol. What is the symbol here? Symbols means addition, like plus, minus, multiplication means star, and division, modulo division. These all are the symbols used in the operator. And and logical functions means logical operations like logical end, logical or, logical not functions. These functions all are used in the C programming. These C operators join individual constants and variables to form a expression. What is the expression? Expression, for example, C equal to A plus B. Here it is the one expression, addition expression. Here A, B, C. These three are the variables, and here operators are plus and equal. These are the operators. These are used to perform the operations, addition operation. Operator, here two operands like A plus B. These two are the operands, and plus is a operator. It performs one addition operation. One addition operation. That is called as an operator. Here operators, functions, constants, and variables are combined together to form a expression. Okay, now, for example, operator plus, minus, multiplication, and division. These symbols, star and uh, slash, these all are symbols joined joined to operands to perform a one expression that is called as an operator. Operators are C tokens which can join together, which individual constants, variables, array elements, and function references. Operators act upon data items called operands. In the C program, different types of operators are there. That is, 8 types of operators are involved in the C programming. First one, arithmetical operator. Second one is relational operator. Third one is logical operator. Fourth one is assignment operator. And fifth one is increment and decrement operator. Sixth one is conditional operator. Seventh one is bitwise operator. And eighth one is special operators. These are the operators in C programming. So I am discussing about arithmetical operator. Arithmetical operator. What is meant by arithmetical? Arithmetic means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo division. These all are the arithmetical operations. So all the basic arithmetical operations can be performed in C programming. That is called as an arithmetic operator. In the arithmetic operator, and that's meaning here plus, it is a arithmetic plus operator. Plus operator is a arithmetical operator that is called as an addition. Here A plus B is a addition operator. Addition operator. And minus A minus B, it is a one expression. A minus B is a one expression. That expression performs subtraction operation. Subtraction operation. And star means it is a multiplication symbol. Multiplication operator. Star is a multiplication operator. Here A and B, these two are the operands. A into B, it is a one expression, performs multiplication operation. Coming to slash, it is a division operator. Division operator. Here A and B both are the operands. A and B both are the operands. A by B. A by B. It is a one expression. Which expression? It is a division expression. Performs the division operation. And last one is Percentile symbol is a modulo operator. Here A and B both are the operands. A percentile B performs the modulo division operation. Okay, na? These are the arithmetical operations used in the C programming. In the C programming, arithmetical operations can be divided into three types. That is integer arithmetic operator. Second one is real arithmetic operator. Third one is mixed mode arithmetic operator. So first one, integer arithmetic operator. Integer arithmetic operator means here integer arithmetic operator contains two operands. For example, both the operands here A and B are X and Y. The both operands are integer type of operands. So resultant operand result here C equal to A plus B. It is a one expression, addition expression. It is a one addition expression. Here A and B both are the operands. These operands values, variable values are integer type of values. A equal to, for example, A equal to 10 and B equal to 5. Expression C equal to A plus B. So here A and B both are the integer type. Values are 10 and 5. Operation C equal to A plus B. A value 10, B value 5. So output value is 15. That is the integer type. Here both the operands are integer. Resultant value is also integer type. So that is called as an integer arithmetic operator. Next one is real arithmetic operator. That is also known as float arithmetic operator. And float arithmetic operator. Float means point values. Both the operands are real values or float values. Here, for example, C equal to A plus B. It is a one expression, addition expression. C equal to A minus B. It is a subtraction expression. So here A and B values are float values. Float A comma B comma C. So A value is 1.1. B value is 2.1. So C equal to A plus B. 1.1 plus 2.1. So 3.3. That is the real arithmetic operation. Here resultant value is also known as float value. So that is the real arithmetic operator. Both the operands are real values. So resultant value is also displays the real value. Output value is real. So that is the real arithmetic operator. Next, third one is mixed mode arithmetic operator. In this mixed mode arithmetic operator, one expression contains how many values are there? Two values are there. That is A and B. A value is integer type and B value is float type. Resultant value C equal to A plus B. A value is 3, B value is 2.5. So output value is 5.5. So output value is also float value. Resultant value is float. So one operand is integer and other is real. It is known as a mixed mode. Here resultant value is always float value, always real value. That is the arithmetic operations. In C programming. Coming to example program, this is the example program for arithmetic operator. For example, first one is header file. Hash include less than stdio.h greater than. That is the header file of C programming. Next statement is main method, void main function. Here integer type of variables. So declares the integer type of values. Integer, it is a data type A, B, and add, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division. These all are the variable names. Variable names are A, B, addition, ADD, comma, subtraction, SUB, MUL, DIV, and mod. These are the variables of integer type. So here A value is assigned, directly assigned A variable, that value is 10 and B value 5. These two are the assigned to A and B. So addition, first expression is addition, ADD, it is a variable name. Add equal to A plus B. A value is 10, B value is 5. A plus B, 10 plus 5, that is 15, assigned to which variable? Add. Next, subtraction, SUB, it is a variable name. A minus B, A value is 10, minus B value is 5. 10 minus 5, output value is 5. 5 is assigned to sub variable. Next, multiplication, A into B. A value is 10 and B value is 5. 10 into 5, 10 into 5, 50. 50 assigned to multiplication variable. Next value is, next expression is division. Division A by B. Value 10 by 5. Output is 2. 2 is assigned to division variable. Modulo division A percentile B. 10 percentile 5. Output 2. That is modulo percentage. That value assigned to mod variable. So output displays the printf statements, that is the output function of the C program. Displays the addition of a comma b is value percentile d, it is a access specifier of integer. Percentile d is a access specifier of integer data type. So addition value assigned to first printf statement. Next one, printf subtraction of a comma b is output value enta. So 5 is assigned to subtraction of a comma b is 5. Next printf statement, output statement, multiplication of a comma b is 50. Next division of a comma b is 2, assigned to that statement. Printf modulo division of a comma b is percentile d, that output value assigned to displays the modulo division of a comma b, return 0. That is the example. This is the example program for arithmetic operator in C programming. Here first one is header files. Hash include less than stdio.h. Here hash means it is a preprocessor function, include all the standard input output functions to Turbo C compiler. That is the header file. Okay, coming to next to data, next operator, relational operator. In the C programming, relational operator. Relational operator means to comparing two or more variables is called as a relational operator. These expressions are used in decision making statements of C programming, such as if, while, for, to decide the course of actions running a program. That is the relational operator. Okay, here this is the example operators, relational operators, and examples. This is that this table showing the relational operators, that expressions. So operator, first operator is less than. This less than x and y, these two are the variables of C programming. X less than y, x value is less than y. Comparing two variables x and y, these two are the variables. Less than is a operator symbol, relational operator symbol. These x and y are the two operands. These two operands checking the condition, x less than y, x is less than y, it's true, condition is true. X, for example, x value is 5 and y value is 2. So x less than y, condition is false. But x value is 3, y value is 5, 2 less than 5, condition is true. So output value, it's output value, it's the resultant value. So output is 1. Its condition is false, output is 0. Condition is true, output is 1. Condition is false, output is 0. So x less than y, always it is a true, resultant output value is 1. Condition is false, output is 0. So next value, next symbol, next operator, greater than symbol, x greater than y, x is greater than y, x value is 5 and y value is 2, x greater than y, condition is true, output is 1. Less than or equal to, x less than or equal to y, x less than or equal to y. Example is x less than or equal to y, x and y, these two are the variables. Less than or equal to is a operator symbol. Next one is greater than or equal to, x greater than or equal to y, x is greater than or equal to y, x and y value, x value is greater than or equal to y, that is the condition is true. Otherwise condition is false. Condition is true, output value is 1. Condition is false, output value is 0. Next operator is equal to, x equal to y, x and y both operator values, both operand values are equal, output value is true. Both operand values are different, output is 0. So false. Not equal to, x not equal to y, x value, y value both are different, condition is true. X value, y value both are same, output is 0, false. Okay, these are the symbols. greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. These are the relational operator symbols. Okay. Next, examples for relational operator. These are the examples. For example, expression here 35. For example, a value and b value. So a value is 35 and b value is 5. So a less than b, 35 less than 5. So 35 less than 5, it is a false. So resultant value is 0. Condition false, result is 0. 35 greater than 5, condition is true. Output value is 1. 35 equal to 5, condition is false. So output value is, result is 0. 10 plus 5 equal to 3 into 5. Condition 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5, it is a one expression. 10 plus 5 value is 15 equal to 3 into 5. This is value, this value is 15. 15 equal to 15. Condition is true. So output is 1. These are the examples of relational operator. These are the examples of relational operator. Next one is coming to example program for relational operator. Same as first one is header file hash include less than stdio.h greater than. It is a header file of C programming. Next, it is a one mathematical expression. So we can use the library functions of header file hash include less than math.h also. Next one is void main. It is a main function coming to integer data type variables of m and n. These two are the variables, integer type of variables. M value is 40 and n value is 20. That is assigned by the user. So condition here, condition f equal to if m equal to n. If the condition here, for example, if conditions, if condition enti, if condition is true, then execute the statements. If the condition is false, condition is false, then exit the program. So here if m equal to n, condition is true, then execute the following statements. So m value is 40, n value is 20. So condition is false. So directly execute into else block statements. Printf m and n and n are not equal. M and n are not equal. That is the output statement of this program. For example, m value 20 and n value is also 20. So if condition is m equal to n, m value is 20 and n value is also 20. So condition is true. Then execute the following statement. Printf m and n are equal. M and n, these two variables are equal. That is the output. But here in this program, m value is 40 and n value is 20. Both are not equal. So m equal to n, condition is false. So executing the else block statement. So else block statement is m and n are not equal. That is the output of this program. And then exit the program. This is the example program for relational operator. Another here expression m equal to 40 and n value is 20. If condition, if m greater than n, condition is true, so then execute the m value is greater than n value. That is the output statement of greater than expression, greater than operator. Less than operator, here m and n values are 20, 40. So m less than n, condition is false. So m value is less than or equal to less than the n value. That is the output statement of next variables. Next operator. Okay. Next expression, next operator is logical operator. Logical operator. Logical operator is used to arithmetic and relational operator. These logical operators are used in the both the operands or both the operators. That is arithmetic operator and relational operator. So logical expressions combine two or more relational expressions. Logical expressions combine the two or more relational expressions. Logical operators are used to test more than one condition and make decision. Here, these are the logical operators, and that's the description. Logical operator and logical end symbols. This is a logical end operator logical and logical or and logical not. These three are the symbols, end or not. End symbol, it description and logical operator end, that's description is it returns when it returns true when both the conditions are true. For example, a and b both are the operands. Output value a and b, output displays the a value is 0 and b value is also 0, then result value is also 0, because of it returns only when both the conditions, both the values true, that time only returns the true value. So it returns true when both the conditions are true. So a and b, 0 0, output is also 0. So 0 means it is a false, 0 is also false, 0 0, so output value is also 0. Next, a value is 0 means false, and b value is true, 1. 0 into 1, end means it is a multiplication operation. End means it is a multiplication operation. First one is 0, a value is also 0, b value is also 0. 0 into 0, output is 0. Next one is 0 into 1, a value is 0, b value is 1. So 0 into 1, 0. Next one, a value is 1, b value is 0. 1 into 0, 0. Last expression, a value is 1 and b value is 1. 1 into 1, output is 1 into 1, 1. So output is 1. That is the logical AND operator. Next, logical OR operator. It returns when at least one condition is true. So it is a addition operation. So both A, B, both are the operands. A value is 0, B value is also 0, output value is 0. Only both variables false, that time only returns the false value. So 0 plus 1, 0, a value is 0 and b value is 1. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Next, 1 plus 0, a value is 1 and b value is 0. Output value is 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Next expression, 1 plus 1, a value is 1 and b value is also 1. 1 plus 1, actually 2. 2, it is a binary number. 2 binary number is 1 0. 1 0. 0 is a carry, 1 is a sum. So output is 1. That is a logical OR operator. It returns true when at least one condition is true. At least one condition. Here both operands, at least one operator is true, one operand is true, output value is also true. Logical NOT, last operator is logical NOT. It reverse the state of the operands. A value is 0, a naught value is 1. A value is 1, a naught value is 0. It returns reverse of the operand. A value is 0, it a naught value, it means opposite value, displays the opposite value of the program. Okay, that is the logical operator. The result of expression will be true if the expression is false, and the vice versa. Condition is vice versa. Syntax expression 1 and output value is not symbol and expression. That is the syntax of logical NOT. Next, this is an example program for logical operator. So first one is header file. Next one, main function. Here integer is a data type variable, integer type of variable. A and B both are the operands variables. A value directly assigned to value A 5 and B value is 10. These two are the integer type of variables. So here same also, if conditional statement. If the condition is true, then execute the following statements. Otherwise, execute the else block statement. That is the if else statement. Already discussing about last topic. So if A and B, printf condition is true, then execute the if A and B, A value multiplication operation. So both A and B, A value is 5 and B value is 10. So both are true. Multiplication operation A and B. So output value is 50. It is also true value. So displays the true. If A not B, A or B, it is also true. A or B plus value. Output value 0, 1. 5 plus, no, 5 plus 10. 5 value. It is a true. Integer type of value. A and B. Both are the integer type of values. Conditions true. So displays the output value is also true. Return 0. This is the logical operator example program. Next, coming to assignment operator. This is the assignment operator. Uh, the operators are used to assign the result of an expression to a variable. That is called as an assignment operator. Assignment operator, another definition is assigning the right side value to left side. That is the assignment operator. Assigning the one value to another value. That is called as an assignment operator. So here this table showing the assignment operator examples. Assignment operator, first assignment operator is equal. This is the assignment operator. So a equal to 10, a equal to 10, a equal to 10. A is a variable, 10 is a value. This value 10 value is assigned to a. Here 10 is a right side value, a is a left side. So right side value always assigned to left side. A equal to 10. 10 value is assigned to a variable. Okay, this is the one expression. A equal to 10, it is a one expression. Next, coming to next assignment operator, plus equal to. So for example, a equal to a plus 1. A value is already 10, assigned to a value is 10. Then one value assigned to a. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 is assigned to a variable. Description is add 1 to a and 1 to a and assign the value to a. Okay, clear? A equal to a plus 10, a plus 1 or a plus equal to 1. A plus equal to 1. 1, 1, number 1 to assigned to a. That is the plus equal to. Next, minus equal to. Expression a equal to a minus 1, or we can write a minus equal to 1. It is also true. So decrease a is a variable, a by 1. Already a value is 10, one value is decreased by a. So assign that value to a minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9. 9 is assigned to a. That is the uh, assignment operator of minus equal to. Next, star equal to a equal to a star 5. A star 5. Star is a multiplication. Asterisk symbol. This is the symbol of asterisk. Asterisk symbol. A equal to a into 5. A into 5. So multiplies 5 with a. 5, 10 into 5. 50. 50 assigned to a. That is the star equal to assignment operator. Modulo division. Slash equal to a equal to a by 5. A value 10 by 5. Divide a by 5. A by 5. A value is 10. 10 by 5. Value, output value 2. 2 is assigned to a. Okay, that is the assignment operator of operators used in the C program. These assignment operators are used in the C program. Directly right side value, always right side expression assigned to left side variable. Right side is a expression, left side is a variable. Right side value, right side expression always assigned to left side variable. That is the assignment operator. Next one, this is the example program for assignment operator. This is the example program for assignment operator. So first one is header file, hash include less than stdio.h, void main. This is the main function of C program. Next, first assigning the variable. Um, Variable, integer type of variables, total equal to 0 comma I. It is a variable, integer type of variable total and I, these two are the variables. total value already assigned value 0. So for loop here I am using the for loop condition. For loop, it is a for loop. Looping statements means it is a repetition statements. Looping statements, what is the use of looping statements? Looping statements use is a repetition, multiple times repetition until the condition is false, then exit the program. Otherwise executing, repeating the statement, block of statements, repeating. So here for loop, for I equal to 0, 0 value assigned to I, and I less than 10. This is the condition. I value, this condition, this looping statement repeats the until I value less than 10. Less than 10. Okay. I plus plus. I value one value every time, one value increment. So I plus plus. So expression total plus equal to I. Same as total equal to total plus I. Total value is 0. 0 plus I value is also 0. 0 plus 0. First value is 0. Output is 0. 0 assigned to total. Then again I value increment. Because of I less than 10. One value less than 10 condition is true. So same as total equal to total value 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Total equal to 1. Next print the 1. First one is total equal to 0. Next is output statement total equal to 1. Next to total equal to 2. Total equal to 3. Up to total equal to 9 work 9 work print అవుతుంది. After that total equal to I value 10. 10 less than 10. Condition is false. So exit the program. Exit the program. This is the example program for assignment operator. Next operator in the C program. C program for increment and decrement operator. Increment and decrement operator. Increment operators are used to increase the value of the variable by 1. One value increased by the variable. And decrement operators are used to decrease the value of the variable by 1 in C program. That is the increment operator and the decrement operators in C language. Only one value increment and one value decrement by the operators. So here operators plus plus a plus plus. This is the post increment. Post increment plus plus a pre increment. A minus minus post decrement. Minus minus a pre decrement. These are the operators. Increment and decrement operators in the C program. So post increment. Here post increment a plus plus means a value is 8. For example, a value is 8. Increment operator y equal to a plus plus. A value is 8. First one, a value is 8. Output value, what is the output of a? Y equal to a plus plus. The value of y will be 8. After that, after displays the output, value will be incremented. So because of post increment means before the output statement, value will not be incremented. After the output, the value will be incremented. So that is the post increment. A equal to 8, y equal to a plus plus. It is a post increment expression. So resultant value is same value. So pre-incremented. Before the displays the output, value will be incremented. Pre-increment. Pre-increment. Before output, value will be added to one variable. A y equal to a plus plus a plus plus a value is 8, output is 9, displays the 9 because of plus plus a pre-increment. One value will be added the before output. Next a minus minus post decrement y equal to a minus minus y value a value is 8, y equal to a minus minus output value is also 8, no decrement here because of it is a post decrement, pre-decrement. So minus minus y equal to minus minus a displays the output value 7 because of pre-decrement. Before the output value will be decreased by a. That is the pre-decrement variable. Okay, this is the example program for increment operator. Only this program displays the increment operator output. So integer type of variable I equal to 1. I value is 1. Here looping statement is while I less than 10. While is a looping statement. While this condition here I less than 10, it is a condition. This condition is true. Then execute the block of statement until this condition is false. So here printf I value is 1. 1 less than 10. 1 less than 10 condition is true. So then execute the program block of statements. Output black printf percentile d. Here d percentile d is a access specifier of integer. I value is 1. Displays the 1. Output is 1. Next I plus plus 1 value increment. How much 2? 2 less than 10 condition true. So then execute 2. Next 3 condition true, then execute. Then 4 execute. 5 execute. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 less than 10 condition is false. So exit the program. This is the increment operator. Okay. Next one is decrement operator. This is the example for decrement operator, same as other files. Next integer I equal to integer type of variable I equal to 1 while I less than 10, it is a condition. Printf percentile d I value I minus minus I value is 1. I value first to displays the output is 1. Then I value minus minus 1 minus minus means 1 minus 1 0. Out 0 less than 10, 0 less than 10 condition true. Then execute. 0 next I value is 0. First value displays the 1, next 0. After that 0 minus minus 0 minus 1 0. So exit the program. Displays the only output values is 1 comma 0. This decrement operator output is 1 comma 0. This increment operator output is 1 to 9. 1 to 9 numbers display. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the output of this program. This program output is only 1 comma 0. This is the examples of increment and the decrement programs. Next one is next operator is conditional operator. Conditional operator is used to checking the condition. Then the condition is true. The condition is executing. Otherwise, executing other statements. That is either true or false. Conditional operator, also known as a ternary operator. Conditional operator is also known as a ternary operator. In this condition is true, then execute the following block of statements. Otherwise, uh, same as if conditional statement. If the condition is true, then execute the following statement. Otherwise, exit the program. In the conditional operator, this conditional operator check the condition. Condition is true, then execute the uh, one expression, one statement. Otherwise, execute the other statement, true or false. So this is the syntax for conditional operator. Expression one, expression one. Here, expression one means here condition. In this condition is true, then execute the expression two. Otherwise, then execute the false block. False. Example, y equal to a greater than b. Already a and b values assigned. For example, a value 10, b value 5. A value 10 less than 5, 10 greater than 5. Value displays value is a value displays. Okay, that is the conditional operator. This is the example program for conditional operator example. The value of expression 1 is evaluated first. Here, expression 1 is evaluated first. If it is true, value of expression 2 will be expression 2 is evaluated. Otherwise, expression 3 is evaluated. Here, first in this syntax, expression 1 question mark expression 2 colon expression 3. In this, the value of expression 1 is evaluated first. First, evaluate the expression 1. Expression 1 is true. If it is true, value of expression 2 is evaluated. Otherwise, expression 3 is evaluated. Okay. For example, integer a equal to 5, b equal to 10, c equal to 50. Y equal to a greater than b. B is in the above statement, the expression a greater than b is evaluated. Since it is false, value of c will be assigned to y. A value is 5, b value is 10, c value is 50. So a less than a greater than b. A value greater than b, it is a false because of a value is 5, b value is 10. So evaluate displays the output value is the c. C value is 15. So value of y will be 15. This is the example of conditional operator. This is the example program for using the conditional operator. Conditional operator example program. Program for using the conditional operator. Hash include less than stdio dot h. Void main integer data type variable x equal to 1. Y value y equal to x equal to 1. This is the expression. Y equal to x equal to 1. It is a condition. 2 or 0. Printed x value is as to printed statement x value directly printed. X value is 1. Then y value is percentile d slash and y value x equal to 1 condition is 2. So then y value is 2. Displays the value is 2. Return 0. This is the program for conditional operator. Okay, coming to bitwise operator. Bitwise operator. These operators are used to perform the bit operations, binary bit operations, binary bit operations. Bitwise operators are similar to that of logical operators, same as logical operator. Logical operator contains and or not symbols are there. And means it is a multiplication operation, or means it is a addition operation, and not means vice versa displays. These are the bitwise logical operators. In this bitwise operator, these operators are used to perform the bit operations. Means here bit means binary operations. Decimal values are converted into binary values. All the decimal numbers 0 to 9 numbers are converted to binary values. Binary values means zeros and ones. Only bitwise operator displays the output of zeros and ones, which are the sequence of bits, and bitwise operators work on those bits. Only performs the bit operations, means zeros and ones. It performs the binary operations. Binary numbers and then bitwise operators are applied on individual bits. Bitwise operators do manipulation on bits stored in memory. These operators work with character and integer data type. They cannot be used with floating point numbers. Uh, cannot be used with floating point numbers. Bitwise operators and action. This table displays the bitwise operators and that action. First symbol is end symbol. This is also known as bitwise end. Next one exclusive or symbol bitwise or. Next one is bitwise not exclusive or less than left shift greater than right shift. These are the bitwise operator symbols. So, for example, if a equal to 4 and b equal to 6, these these are the decimal values. A value equal to 4 and b value equal to 6. The equivalent, these decimal numbers are directly converted to binary numbers. The equivalent binary value a value is a value is 0100. The equivalent binary value of b is 0110. These are the equivalent binary values. So the value of a and b, end means it is a bitwise end operator. End means it is a multiplication operator. 0100 is a 4 value. 0110 it is a b value 6. B value is 6. So the output is 0100. Multiplication operation, the output is 0100. Means 0100 value is 4. 6 into 4, 24. 6 fours are, A value is 4, B value is 6. Normally 24. 24, 24. 2 is a carry, 4 is a sum. So uh, that value will be output of the A and B. So 4, that is the value of output of the A and B. That binary equivalent value is 0, 1, 0, 0. The value of A or B, bitwise OR operator. So the A value is 4, 4 binary value 0, 1, 0, 0. B value 0, 1, 1, 0. The output value is 6. Okay, 6 plus 4 value is 6. Binary value is 0, 1, 1, 0. The value of A not B. A exclusive or B. A exclusive or means exclusive or opposite values. Both the operands are true or both the operands are false. The output will be false. One condition true, one here 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So the output is 0, 0, 1, 0. Because of 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. So the output is 0, 0, 1, 0. Next, right shift to the binary bit twice, two values, right side, right shift, left shift, values move to left side. That is the left shift and the right shift values of bitwise operator. Example for bitwise operator, here P, Q. These two are the operands. Values is 0, Q value is 0. P and Q. 0 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. P exclusive are both the operands false. So output is also false. Next, P value is 0, Q value is 1. So P and Q multiplication 0 into 1, 0. Next value 0, 1 into 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, PRQ value is also exclusive are also 1. Next 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 same as 1. Next one P and Q. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1 plus 1, 1. Then here both the conditions are true. In the exclusive OR means any one condition is true, output is true. Both the conditions true or both the conditions false, output value is false. Only one, any one value, any one expression, any one operand value is true, that output value is true. Otherwise, output will be 0. Here P and Q, both the operands are true, that value will be true. Here P R Q, both the false, both the variables false, that time only PRQ value is false. Remaining always that value is true. Okay, that is the example. These are the examples for bitwise operators. Coming to last operator, most important operator, that is called as a special operator. There are some special operators are available in C programming, such as comma operator, size of operator, number of selection operators. These are the special operators. In the special operators, three types: comma operator, size of operator, number of selection operators. So first one is comma operator. Comma operator means comma, symbol is comma. Comma has the lowest priority among all the operators available in C. Totally, how many operators are there in the C programming? 8 operators. These 8 operators, comma operator is the lowest priority. Just it is separating the one expression to one variable to another variable. This operator is used to separate the related expressions. The expression separated by comma operator may not be included within the parentheses. Only parentheses. It is just separating the one expression or one variable to another. For example, C equal to A plus B. A directly assign the values. A equal to 10, B equal to 5, A equal to 10, comma, B equal to 5, comma, C equal to A plus B. A plus B. Here just comma is separating the functions, separating the variables. Evaluate the comma operator left to right, left to right. Evaluate the first left to right. Okay. So C equal to A equal to 5, comma, B equal to 10, comma, A plus B. So evaluation starts from left. So A equal to 5. That is the first evaluation. Next is B equal to 10. That is the second. Next, last. These are the evaluations. This is the example. In this expression, first assign the 5 to U. Start from left to right. 5 to U. Then assign the 10 to B. And finally assign 5 plus 10 to C. This is the evaluation of comma operator. So comma operator is the lowest priority in the equation. ఎట్లా అట్లా చేస్తే అయిపోద్ది అంటే అది ఇగో ఇంతే ఉంటుంది ఇది రావట్లేదు పోవట్లేదు ఏం కాదు అందుకే బయటకు వచ్చి